Hello and welcome to another quick video in our WordPress series. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add a new post and going through the editing options available. Adding a new post probably sounds quite simple, but as a beginner, it can be confusing, not to mention even the more savvy users are surprised to find the hidden gems on the post screen. In this beginner's guide, I will show you every feature on the Add New Post screen so that you can fully utilize all the features available. So let's jump straight in and head to our Add New Post screen, like this. And let's start with the most noticeable part, the title and content boxes, which are these areas here. Yours might look slightly different depending on whether you are using the visual or the text editor. You can switch between visual and text editor while writing a post, but we do not recommend switching as this could mess up your post's formatting. Visual editor is a beginner-friendly text editor with formatting buttons and a nice visual layout for the content area. On the other hand, text editor is a plain text editor where you can actually see the HTML or write your own. The first text area on the top is where you can add the post's title. The content area is where you will write the post. You can use the formatting options from the toolbar or use one of the many keyboard shortcuts available, which will speed up your writing process. If you are using the visual editor, then we have a great little video which shows you 14 tips for mastering the WordPress visual editor. In the footer area of the content editor, WordPress will show you the word count for your post. As you write, WordPress will automatically save a draft of your post. This autosave is stored in your WordPress database temporarily. As soon as you save your draft or write some more content, WordPress cleans up your autosave temporary draft and replaces it with a new one. This process ensures that you do not lose your content due to internet connection or hardware failure. The post editor shows your current draft and autosave status in the footer next to your word count. Now let's have a look at images and media in our posts. Between the title and content fields, there is a large Add Media button. You will need to click on it when you want to upload an image or any other media to a WordPress post. This will launch the Media Uploader in a pop-up window. Simply click on the Select Files button to upload images or any other media to your WordPress site. You can also create image galleries and audio playlists from uploaded files. The WordPress post edit screen is divided into two columns. The column on the left contains the post title and content editor. On your right-hand side, you have different meta boxes to configure post settings. The topmost meta box in this column is labeled Publish. This is where all the publishing options for your posts are managed. So let's have a look at a few of them. Save Draft button stores a draft of the post or page that you are working on. WordPress also autosaves your posts as you write them. Preview button shows a live preview of your post. Status allows you to set a status for your post. Unless you are using a plugin to add custom statuses, you don't need to worry about this option. Click on the edit link next to visibility to expand it. The first option under visibility will allow you to make your post sticky on front page. Sticky posts in WordPress are like featured content that are displayed on top of all other posts. The next option allows you to password protect a post in WordPress. The third option under visibility is labeled private. This allows you to privately publish a post on your WordPress site. The private posts will be visible to users who have the editing privileges on your site. Click on the edit link next to publish and WordPress will display the time and date options. You can use this option to schedule posts or create backdated posts in WordPress. Finally, the publish button makes your WordPress post public. You can sort your posts into categories and tags. The categories and tags meta boxes usually appear in the right-hand column, below the publish meta box. Categories and tags help you to organize your content in a meaningful and browsable format. Your users can find your content more easily and it boosts your website's SEO. Search engine optimization is a whole other video. If you'd like to learn more about SEO, we have you covered. You can also use a featured image with your post. Most WordPress themes support featured images or post thumbnails for articles. Usually it's the last box in the right-hand column on the Post Edit screen. Simply click on the Set Featured Image link and it will bring up the Media Uploader pop-up. You can then select an image from your previous uploads or upload a new image. Some of the options on the Post Edit screen are hidden by default to present a cleaner and simpler editing experience. These options are not commonly used by beginners, however, you may need them later. Simply click on the Screen Options button on the top right corner of the page, and this will show a menu with checkboxes next to the option's name. As you can see, some of the options will already be checked. For the others, you can display them by clicking on the checkbox next to an option name, and it will appear on your Post Edit page. Bonus tips for creating WordPress posts. WordPress comes with a great set of tools available right out of the box to create new content and write posts. However, there are many more tools and tips that you can use to improve your writing and editorial experience. Take a look at some of the plugins we are using at Websites Made Easy. We highly recommend using Share by AppSumo, Google Analytics, as well as a few others to really leverage your WordPress website and your online presence. We've got videos covering all of these plugins. I hope this video helped you learn how to add a new post in WordPress and utilize all the features available to you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a quick like and share it with your friends. If you want to be notified when we create new content for you, then subscribe. Thank you and see you in the next video.